In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to resolve the issue of incoming calls not being displayed on your Android device. Firstly, long press the phone app icon and tap the information icon located at the top right corner. This will open the app info. Scroll down to the storage section and tap on Clear Cache. Next, tap on Clear Data and confirm the deletion. Subsequently, open your phone settings and ensure that Do Not Disturb mode is disabled. This mode can prevent incoming calls from being received. To disable it, locate the Modes and Routines section and check if Do Not Disturb is enabled within any of the modes, such as sleep mode. If it is, disable it to allow notifications and calls to come through. You can also check it from the status bar. As a final measure, restart your phone. This can often resolve various issues, including the one you are experiencing.